Hey everybody, this video is designed to be a little bit of a workaround for a little bit of an error Blackboard has in it right now. A lot of you have told me you can't see the comments on stuff that I've been leaving you, and it's now pretty obvious that it's a Blackboard problem. It's not a browser problem or a COCC problem. It's a Blackboard problem. So I think we have a workaround for it, and I'm going to show you today, or in this video, excuse me, how to kind of work around so you can actually see the comments I've left you. So what you want to do is you want to get into Blackboard, and then you want to go up here to where your name is. Now I've actually got this. I'm logged into my Blackboard because I can't actually look at yours. But just click on your name, and what it'll do is it opens up this little menu here. Now you want to make sure you're in your Math 105 class, and I do not know how to do that via this menu. So you can do it in your menu. Your menu is going to be a lot simpler than this. This has got a lot of garbage in it. And then once you're in your Math 105 menu, go down to here, which is your My Grades. Okay, now when you get to My Grades, you're going to see everything that you've turned in here, and then you can click on this little graded tab here, and then you see everything that's been graded here. Okay, now I don't know what any of these things are. Looks like I've done a bunch of them in the past, but it was a long time ago. But that's okay. Here's what should happen. What should happen is when you mouse over these things, they should become hyperlinks. Just like anything else on the web, when you like look over here, when I hyperlink or when I mouse over things that are hyperlinks on the web, the mouse changes. It changes to a little hand. It goes from being an arrow to being a little hand. And this works everywhere. Here's COCC's website. And you mouse over a hyperlink, it changes to a little hand. It changes to a little hand, and so forth. Well, then Blackboard, for whatever reason, it works there, but when you come down to the actual names of the assessments, it doesn't change to a little hand. However, these things are actually hyperlinks. So if you just click on them anyway, they'll open. And then somewhere in here, you'll see your grade. This calculated grade, I believe, will then be blue. So what you want to do is look for the blue. The blue are hyperlinks, which means when you click on them, they will open. And then when you click on that grade, it'll pop open and you'll be able to see the comments I was talking about. Again, terribly sorry for this, but this is a Blackboard problem that we now have a workaround for. It's a little bit manky, but at least it's a workaround until they decide to fix it. So I wanted to make sure you had this video. Sorry for the frustration for any of you that have been trying to look for comments, but hopefully this helps. We'll see you in class.